Ever wondered what happens when cutting-edge blockchain technology meets a leading cryptocurrency exchange? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into a fascinating intersection: Gemini's support for Algorand. Now, you might be thinking, Algorand? Gemini? What's the big deal? And that's precisely where we're going to start. To truly appreciate this collaboration, we need to understand the individual players and what they bring to the table. Let's begin with Algorand. Imagine a blockchain designed not just for speed, but for true efficiency and scalability. That's the core of Algorand's vision. Founded by Turing Award-winning cryptographer Silvio Macaulay, Algorand isn't your run-of-the-mill blockchain. It tackles the blockchain trilemma, the inherent difficulty in achieving decentralization, security, and scalability simultaneously, with a unique approach called pure proof-of-stake, PPS. Unlike traditional proof-of-work systems that rely on energy-intensive mining, or even some proof-of-stake systems that can concentrate power, PPS ensures that all ALGO token holders have a chance to participate in the consensus process. The selection of validators is random and weighted by the amount of ALGO they hold, making the network incredibly secure and resistant to attacks. This design allows Algorand to achieve near-instant transaction finality and handle a high throughput of transactions without exorbitant fees. Think of it as a super-efficient digital highway for value transfer. Beyond its impressive technical foundation, Algorand has been steadily building a vibrant ecosystem. Developers are leveraging its speed and low costs to create innovative applications in areas like decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, supply chain management, and even central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. The Algorand Foundation and the broader community are actively fostering this growth through grants, developer tools, and educational resources. It's a blockchain with serious ambitions, focused on real-world utility and long-term sustainability. Now, let's shift our focus to Gemini. Founded by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, Gemini has established itself as a reputable and regulated cryptocurrency exchange. From its inception, Gemini has prioritized security, compliance, and user trust. It operates under the watchful eye of the New York State Department of Financial Services, NYSDFS, a stringent regulatory body, which speaks volumes about its commitment to safety and transparency. Gemini isn't just a platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. It offers a suite of services designed to cater to both retail and institutional investors. This includes secure custody solutions, advanced trading features, educational resources, and even its own stablecoin, GUSD. Gemini has consistently aimed to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the burgeoning world of digital assets, providing a reliable and user-friendly gateway for individuals and institutions to participate in the crypto economy. Their emphasis on regulation and security has earned them a strong reputation within the industry. So, what happens when you bring together a technologically advanced and efficient blockchain like Algorand with a security-focused and regulated exchange like Gemini? The answer, as you might have guessed, is significant. Gemini's decision to support Algorand and its native ALGO token opens up a world of possibilities for both ecosystems. For Algorand, being listed on a major exchange like Gemini significantly increases its accessibility and liquidity. It puts ALGO in front of Gemini's vast user base, including both retail investors and institutional clients who value the platform's regulatory compliance and security measures. This increased exposure can lead to greater adoption of the ALGO token and the wider Algorand ecosystem. Think of it as Algorand gaining access to a much larger stage, allowing more people to discover its potential. Furthermore, Gemini's support can attract more developers and projects to build on the Algorand blockchain. The ease of trading ALGO on a trusted platform can incentivize participation in the Algorand ecosystem, knowing that there's a reliable avenue for accessing and managing their ALGO holdings. This can create a positive feedback loop, where more projects lead to greater demand for ALGO, which in turn attracts more users and developers. From Gemini's perspective, supporting Algorand adds another promising asset to its diverse portfolio of listed cryptocurrencies. It allows Gemini to cater to users who are interested in innovative blockchain technologies focused on speed, scalability, and real-world applications. By offering access to ALGO, Gemini positions itself as a platform that embraces technological advancements within the crypto space. Moreover, Gemini's commitment to security and compliance extends to its support for Algorand. Users trading and holding ALGO on Gemini can benefit from the exchange's robust security measures and regulatory oversight, providing a greater sense of trust and security compared to less regulated platforms. This alignment of values, Algorand's focus on secure and efficient technology and Gemini's emphasis on security and compliance, creates a powerful synergy. The integration of Algorand on Gemini also has implications for the broader crypto market. It signals a growing recognition of Layer 1 blockchains that offer compelling alternatives to earlier generations. Algorand's unique P2S consensus mechanism and its focus on real-world use cases differentiate it within a crowded landscape. Gemini's support can help to further validate Algorand's technology and its potential to play a significant role in the future of decentralized finance and beyond. Beyond just listing the ALGO token for trading, Gemini's support could potentially extend to other areas. We might see Gemini Custody offering secure storage solutions for ALGO, catering to institutional investors who require institutional-grade custody for their digital assets. There could also be integrations that allow users to earn yield on their ALGO holdings through staking or other DeFi mechanisms offered through the Gemini platform. The possibilities for deeper collaboration between these two entities are vast and could unlock even more value for their respective communities. Consider the implications for DeFi. Algorand's speed and low transaction fees make it an attractive platform for building decentralized applications. With easier access to ALGO through Gemini, more users can participate in Algorand-based DeFi protocols, potentially leading to increased liquidity and innovation within that ecosystem. Similarly, the growth of NFTs on Algorand could benefit from Gemini's established NFT marketplace, allowing users to seamlessly buy, sell, and store Algorand-based digital collectibles. The collaboration also underscores the importance of regulatory compliance in the cryptocurrency space. Gemini's proactive approach to regulation provides a safe and trusted environment for users to interact with digital assets like ALGO. This is particularly important as institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies continues to grow, with these larger players often prioritizing regulatory clarity and security. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.